his time, which is a smart move for a youngster against a veteran. Like Mims, Carter isn't just rushing in there, but he nailed him a good one with the right hand.